Okay guys, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Mike. Today's video is going to be a nice and short and nice and easy flexibility routine for beginners. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin this sequence coming into a head to knee pose. We'll start with our right leg, so extending that right leg long, keeping that right foot flexed towards you here. The left foot can just come into the right thigh area. And then from here, let's inhale, lift the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that right leg, and then melt forward. Really breathing into the back of the right leg, so breathing into the calf, the hamstring, and just honor wherever you are today. So if your hands can only come down to here, that's okay. If you can get them further, that's awesome. Or if you want to grab onto your foot, again, that's great. But the key to gaining flexibility, in my opinion, is just showing up on a consistent daily basis. So if you want to get more flexible, it's all about just being disciplined, being consistent in your practice. And that's what we're doing here today. So from here, feel free to close your eyes and just come back to your breath. And as you breathe, see if you can deepen the breath with each exhale you take, and see if you can melt forward with each exhale you take here as well. And on your next exhale, let's just slowly roll it back up, and we'll take it over to the other side. So extending that left leg long, keeping that left foot flexed, and then bringing the right foot into the left thigh area. Again, from here, let's inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, shift a little bit towards that left leg, and then melt forward. Again, just honor wherever you are today. Perhaps this side might be different for some of us. And again, just come back to your breath. Try and melt a little bit deeper with each exhale. And exhale, slowly roll it back up. From here, we'll extend both legs out long, keeping the legs together here and keeping both feet flexed towards us. Again, let's inhale, lift the hands up towards the sky, and then exhale, melt forward here. This time, breathing into both legs. And again, try and see if you can sink a little bit deeper with each exhale. And from here, exhale, slowly roll it back up. From here, we'll make our way onto our backs, and we'll do a nice hip opening pose here. So once we get to our backs, let's just bring the soles of the feet together, coming into a reclined butterfly, one of my favorite hip openers. So another key to being flexible is definitely having open hips. If you have tight hips, then chances are you're not going to be very flexible. So in this reclined butterfly, a couple options with your hands. You can rest one hand on your heart, the other on your belly, and just sort of feel yourself breathe, or you can just rest your hands down by your sides here. So this is a really passive pose. I want you to see if you can notice your hips gradually open up with each breath you take. We'll be here for about 10 breaths. So I encourage you to stay here in this reclined butterfly for as long as you like. This is one of my favorite poses. Or if you want to end this routine here, we can rock up into a seated position of your choice. And that wraps up our routine today. Feel free to come back to this video on a daily basis or a frequent basis. Again, like I said in the beginning, I think one of the keys to gaining more flexibility is just having a consistent practice and just showing up on a regular basis. So if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. That really supports the channel, and I will see you in the next video.